Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product to your wishlist on the C&A application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your home page and then select a category. Then type in the name of the product that you are looking for, or you can search within the product section. And after finding a product that you like, tap on it, and then once it is loaded, you should check out the pictures and the description and click on the heart icon in the middle of the screen. Then tap on the wishlist button down below, which is the third option, and here you can find the relevant articles added to this section. If you want to, you can remove it from this list by tapping on the X button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.